Hi, I'm James Thorstensen, a network engineer at Viking Technology Solutions, where installing and maintaining small business IT networks is at the core of our service stack. In this video, I'll cover some essential considerations for setting up a robust network infrastructure, ensuring its security, and maintaining smooth IT operations in a small business. We install structured network cabling, indoor and outdoor Wi-Fi access points, wall-mounted network cabinets, point-of-sale terminals, printers, and pretty much every other physical aspect of IT. But with small businesses in mind, I want to talk about the configuration of network equipment, the part you don't see. And I want to make the case for installing third-party commercial equipment instead of relying solely on the equipment your internet service provider placed in your office when they activated your internet service. As good as those devices may be at delivering broadband internet service, there are a few things on the configuration side we can't easily do or manage using that equipment. The first device we add on top of the internet gateway that the ISP put in is a commercial-grade firewall, whether it's Cisco, SonicWall, Netgate, or any of the other major brands. There are a few things we can do with these devices that we can't easily accomplish using the ISP equipment. First is configuring a VPN tunnel for remote worker access or linking your multiple business locations together so employees can share resources like a local web server, printers, or file servers. Now, some of these services are becoming less prevalent with communications platforms like Microsoft Teams and Direct Print becoming commonplace, but if you need them, a business firewall will be the way to go. They allow us to segment and prioritize certain types of network traffic. Two examples of this: imagine a busy bar and restaurant with a guest Wi-Fi network. We want the guests to use our internet connection, but also deny access to internal resources like printers, camera systems, media controllers, and also visibility to other guests' phones and laptops that are utilizing the same guest Wi-Fi network. We may also want to block traffic to certain types of websites to ensure the business internet connection is only used for legitimate purposes. Another example is if you have a voice over IP phone system, we may want to prioritize the traffic originating from your phones to eliminate stutter, delay, and echoing, which can happen if your internet connection is saturated with connectivity from computers that are using a lot of bandwidth. We'll also want to enable multiple WAN failover to ensure the restaurant, from our example, can continue to do things like process credit cards even when the cable or fiber internet provider is experiencing an outage. Now, maybe you're not running a business that extends a guest wireless network to patrons and your office is small enough that there are no issues with your VoIP phone system. My last case against using the ISP gateway is still related to Wi-Fi. If you have a large multi-office network and you're using the ISP equipment for Wi-Fi, you may run into signal coverage issues simply due to the physical distance between the router and laptops down the hallway or a point of sale terminal at the other end of your restaurant or a retail shop. Our solution here is to use multiple Wi-Fi access points installed throughout the office instead of the included Wi-Fi on your ISP equipment. We can properly extend and balance the coverage throughout large offices, wedding venues, a car dealership parking lot, whatever the case may be. But if you have a large office with Wi-Fi issues and you're relying on that ISP gateway to supply Wi-Fi, it might simply be a coverage issue you're experiencing, and we can fix that by adding commercial-grade Wi-Fi access points. The long and short of it is that even as ISP gateways continue to improve, if you're operating out of anything larger than a couple of offices with a handful of people, your business could likely solve many of its IT problems by deploying some properly installed and configured commercial-grade network equipment. If any of this sounds like you and you want some more information, give us a call for an evaluation. We're here to help our customers leverage and get outsized results with their technology. Thanks.